Let's start from here. Motor, good running motor, good operating transmission, electronic distributor. That goes with the car. Here's the car. It was a 3-on-3 car, so that's the automatic brake pedal, glove box, trim piece that's missing that goes right there. New shroud where the windshield wipers go, radiator support, battery tray, back of the car, new tail lights, quarter panels gonna need some addressing, some patch. It's not a brand new car. Our car needs to be restoration, needs a restoration, needs to be saved. Okay, it's gonna need floor pans. Bam. It's gonna need interior makeover. But all the bones are here. I have one door panel and the trim piece that goes for the opposite door panel. I believe it's a driver's door panel. I forgot to pick it up out of storage. Pictures coming soon. Front fender. Hood. Hood hinges in good condition. Like I said, this is the daylight view. We got fresh radiator support for this car, so back when I had the Impala Dream, this was part of the Dream. We call it Dream Deferred because it got deferred onto something else. So that's what we got going here. I'll bring it to you in the next video. The bumpers, which are already been chromed. Front and rear bumpers already assembled, chromed already. Seats go to something else. So that's what you got. 1962 Impala. I'm gonna put it out there. I want to say like 12. See what everybody's selling theirs for. You know, money talks. Everything else is conversation. That's all I can tell you about that.